Welcome to this hands-on exercise, where we will create different types of data visualization charts using Python. In this tutorial, we'll install the required libraries, load a dataset stored in Amazon S3, and generate multiple visualizations including scatter plots, time series plots, histograms, and box plots. Let's begin. First, install and import the required Python libraries. These libraries give us the tools we need to load data, manipulate it, and generate high-quality visualizations. Next, load the dataset from Amazon S3. The dataset has already been uploaded to the S3 bucket. Let's run the code. You will now see the first 5 records of the dataset read directly from S3. Each row represents a data entry with 6 columns: ID, date, age, income, category, and sales. This dataset contains basic transaction information that can help us analyze sales patterns based on factors like age, income, and product category. Now, let's generate our first visualization, the scatter plot. A scatter plot is a chart that shows the relationship between two numerical variables using dots. Each dot represents one data point. This type of plot is useful for identifying trends, clusters, and correlations between variables. Next, let's create a time series plot. A time series plot displays data points over time, typically with dates on the x-axis and values on the y-axis. This helps you visualize trends, patterns, or changes in your data as time progresses. Now, let's draw a histogram. A histogram shows the distribution of a single numeric variable by grouping values into bins. It displays how many data points fall into each range using bars. Histograms help you understand the shape, spread, and concentration of your data. Finally, let's generate a box plot. A box plot visualizes the spread and summary of a dataset using 5 key statistical values: the minimum, first quartile, Q1, median, also called Q2, third quartile, Q3, and the maximum. Box plots also highlight outliers, making them useful for quick data quality checks. With these 4 visualizations, scatter plot, time series chart, histogram, and box plot, you now have a powerful toolkit to explore patterns, trends, and distributions in your dataset.